Welcome everybody, welcome back. I came by Rubey and we got another great topic at hand today. Topic at hand, we're not going to waste any time, we're going to get right into it. Topic at hand today is basically duality. Duality within itself. What is duality? Duality for me took a while because when I was researching this was I really enjoyed this topic because you would always hear people say, I'll give you a perfect example. There's a funny one, like when someone gets mad, don't let me get my bad side come out of me, right? No, I don't want to show them that other side of me. What is this other side? I had always asked myself this question because a lot of people would say that that's your shadow side, or when you start getting into this type of esoteric wisdom, or that dark side, or you have like a perfect example would be what duality to me. Example to me would be night and day, bad and good. What else could it be? Like the yin and the yang, that white and the black symbol. It was almost like opposites attract, right? But at the same time, even though, look how weird that is, that opposites attract. But if you really think about that duality, and it took me a while because I was like, man, really, do we all have that bad side in us? And then sometimes, I've been in such a calm state for a while now, working on myself, that sometimes you forget about the past. And then I was like, wait a minute, whoa, I do remember. Yeah, just when I was always seemed to be on edge, angry, would blow up at anything, or just didn't have patience. And I was like, wow, you know what? That's that shadow side. That's that duality. Now, a couple exercises doing this to control that duality within ourselves, right? We got to look. What does I Can by Rubey always say? Look deep within. Work from within. And with that duality, we have to make, and what I did, what worked for me, is when I made peace with that other side. That other side, that shadowy side, that bad side, that bad boy or bad girl side, or whatever you want to call it, right? And when you make peace with that, with yourself, and peace within your mind, and clear yourself of all thoughts. Because I tell you, I know for myself, oh man, my head was filled with so many things. And a lot of times these thoughts that come in your head will drive you nuts sometimes. And I feel for some people, because sometimes, imagine this, maybe it's not even a psychiatric thing, but it's just that you need to clear your head, your thoughts. And you know what? You might not be the only one. There might be tons of people that have the same thoughts that are running through your head, right? Are running through theirs. But the thing is, what we have to work on is what? That duality. Controlling all these thoughts, all these negative emotions, blending them into one, a positivity. And then clearing out the mind and your spirit, mind, body, everything, your chakras, alignment, whatever you want to call it, your soul, spirit, everything will be in alignment with yourself. And when you can control that, as I like that duality, because it's like flipping a coin. There's two sides to that coin, right? Anyway, how you want to make it, or at least try, the best advice I can give you, no matter what side that coin lands on, it doesn't matter. Because the sides that you have, they both, no matter that they're different, they became as one, right? Became as one. You're as one with yourself, your inner consciousness. You feel at ease. And when you accomplish this, you're going to feel like so light. And that starts, first of all, getting rid of a lot of unwanted baggage. And what I mean by that is, you have to forgive yourself, forgive others for what they did to you. You have to let it go, because if not, it'll hold you down, and it'll just keep weighing you down, getting heavier and heavier and heavier. So if you get rid of that and control everything within that duality and become one with yourself, both sides, good and bad. And listen, we're all not perfect. We're going to have our days, right? We're gonna, you get mad some days, whatever. But you know what? If you get mad and say, you know what, I'm just going to let that go, whatever. Eventually, how would you say, how you get mad compares nothing to how someone else might be. And they might say, man, that's you being mad? Wow, not bad. But all I want to say to end this video, make that duality, those two sides, as one. Control your thoughts and emotions. And try to keep yourself, mind, body, and spirit at peace and as one. I thank all you guys for all your support and all the pour out for everyone watching the videos. I am very thankful. And I wish that whatever you try to achieve, I wish you the best and blessings on all of that. And I know you will. Take care, everybody. I Can by Rubey.